Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to automatically hide the taskbar when you're using tablet mode in Windows. This can give you a cleaner, more immersive experience on your tablet, especially if you're using Windows 10. To start, look at the bottom left of your screen. You'll see the search bar right next to the Start menu. Once the search bar is active, simply type in Settings, then open it. In the Settings window, click on Personalization. This is where you can manage your taskbar settings. On the left-hand menu, click on Taskbar. This will open the taskbar settings where we can configure its behavior. Now scroll down until you see the Tablet Mode section. Look for the option Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Tablet Mode and turn it on. This will ensure the taskbar disappears when you switch to tablet mode, giving you more screen space. And that's it. Now you know how to automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.